This is how may I help you?
Greetings. How are you?
I'm doing good. How can I help you, sir?
Excuse me, I have a few questions if you don't mind.
Sure.
I want your help. We have some real serious problems here.
Here's how it works.
These crazy
Monkeys destroyed this entire
Bathroom.
and the monkey.
Damaged. The toilet bowl.
What do we gotta do? How much is that?
Hold on just a minute, okay?
Okay.
Sir, are you still there?
Hi.
You know what? Okay. Give me just 1 second. I'm going to get you over to our manager, and he can speak with you. Can you please
Sure. Thanks.
This is how can I help you?
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm fine. Thank you. I need your help.
Oh, yeah, doing great. What can I do for you?
We have some real serious problems here.
These monkeys just totally destroyed my pump right outside of my
Bathroom.
right now with the belt.
What do we gotta do?
Monkeys?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Look, I know it sounds crazy. I can hardly believe it myself.
Please. You promise you won't laugh?
I'm sorry, bro. That's too good.
Stop laughing! Why are you being so immature about all this?
I don't know, because monkeys in New Mexico? I don't think so.
Correct.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, very correct. Unless you're next to Albuquerque Zoo.
Please.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right, I am.
So,
If you would just
what
give me
kind
a
of
second,
scam
then
are
I
we
could
offering
explain it to
today?
you. Please let me explain.
The monkey.
Damaged. The
Yeah.
toilet bowl.
And,
Okay.
If
You
it's
have
the
a good day,
urinal,
man,
this
and try
keeps-
I
scamming
hit
somebody else,
me
all
over
right?
the head with...
huh?
Yeah.
Say it
Yeah.
again.
See you. Hello.
Hello? I've only one more question.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a police officer.
Are you?
Absolutely, yeah.
If you don't want to help me, just say so, but I don't need a lecture.
Oh, yeah?
If you would just give me
Okay.
a second, then I could explain it to you. Please.
Yeah.
I'm pressing charges against you.
All right.
That's
Hey,
just
you
the
know
way
what?
I
Why don't you
operate.
call 911? They'll help you out. Have a good one.
Negative. Sue me, dickhead. Hello?
Hello,
Hi.
A&R.
How are you?
Fine.
Good. I need your help. I want your help.
These
Okay.
monkeys just totally destroyed my pump right outside of my
Bathroom.
right now. And the monkey.
Damaged. The toilet bowl.
What do we gotta do?
So you need to have someone come out there and look at your,
Absolutely, yeah.
okay,
We have some real serious problems here.
okay.
Because of the enormous danger that we faced, you know.
Have you used this before, sir?
I don't know.
Okay. Give me just 1 second.
1 second.
And
Okay.
what is your,
Huh?
what is your last name?
Kalidor.
K-A-L-I-D-O-R.
I'm the mercenary.
K-A-L.
Yeah.
K-A-L-I-D-O-R.
Is your first, are you at 30 Patterson?
Yeah.
So now
You
what
are?
happens now?
Yes.
Okay. Give me just 1 moment. Okay. And tell me again what the issue is, sir.
Huh? I don't understand.
Say it again.
What do you need us to look at for you?
Here's how it works. These monkeys just totally destroyed my pump right outside of my
Bathroom.
right now with the belt.
Belt in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Look, I know it sounds crazy. I can hardly believe it myself.
Okay, so what's going on in the bathroom? The belt?
The monkey.
Damaged. The toilet bowl.
These crazy monkeys destroyed this entire
Bathroom.
Who did?
the monkey.
Okay. And when you say bathroom destroyed, what are you referring to, though? Was it the toilet? Was it the faucet?
The monkey.
Damaged. The toilet bowl.
And
toilet bowl.
If it's the urinal,
this means
I hit me over the head with.
so now what happens
Okay.
now?
Okay. Can you hold on just a minute, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, how can I help you?
Hello.
Hello. What have you got going on?
Hi.
These monkeys just totally destroyed my pump right outside of my
Bathroom.
What do we gotta do?
I don't know. I don't think I have anybody available today. I'm sorry.
And I talked to a number of people and they all said you're the one to see.
Where have you used this before?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kalidor.
You're gonna have to spell it for me.
Kalidor.
When's the last time they've used this?
July.
July. Okay. And what have you got going on?
The monkey.
Damaged. The toilet bowl.
The toilet bowl. Do you need it replaced?
Yes.
And
If it's the urinal,
this means
I hit me over the head with.
Do what now?
here's how it works. These crazy monkeys
Destroyed this entire bathroom.
I don't know what you're saying.
Why not?
Well, because you don't speak very good English. That's why not.
I was born in Austria.
I've only been in this country 5 years, and there are some expressions I still don't understand.
Oh, okay.
Stop
well,
laughing.
I'm trying to help you out here. So
Good.
what destroyed your toilet?
You promise you won't laugh?
The monkey.
The monkey?
Yeah.
What monkey?
This means we're going to kill me. The orangutan.
Okay. I don't think we're going to work for you, sir, but I appreciate
Why
you
not?
calling.
If you would just
Sir,
give me a second,
we're not
then
going to
could
work for
explain
you,
it to
okay?
Please let me
You're
explain.
going to have to call somebody else.
Bullshit. Go and kiss your mother's behind.
Hello, me, this is can I help you?
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I'm a police officer. I'm the sheriff.
I need your help. Hello.
What would you like your help with?
These monkeys just totally destroyed my pump right outside of my
Bathroom.
right now with the belt. What do we gotta do?
What was destroyed outside your bathroom?
The monkey.
Damaged. The toilet bowl.
Okay. Cool. Have we been out to your house before, sir?
Yeah.
I'm the sheriff.
What's your address?
2029 Romford Road.
You said Bumford Road?
Yeah. I'm just doing my job.
And
If it's the urinal,
this means
I hit me over the head with.
Okay. Can you spell Bumford for me, please?
Kalidor.
I'm sorry?
Kalidor.
what's wrong with that?
Yeah.
I'm not understanding what you're saying. K-E-L, what was the rest of it?
Kalidor.
Okay. I'm having a very hard time understanding you. K-E-L, and what was the rest of it?
So sorry about this. I was born in Austria.
Now listen to me very carefully. Kalidor.
I'm sorry, sir. I still did not understand you.
2029 Romford Road.
Bumford Road. B-U-M-F-O-R-D?
Correct.
Right, exactly.
Okay, so you said 2018 Bumford Road.
Correct.
And what's a good phone number for you, sir?
2 1 6 8 6 2 9 8 0 8.
All right.
And
These crazy monkeys destroyed this entire
Bathroom.
Okay. Bathroom is destroyed.
Look, I know it sounds crazy. I can hardly believe it myself.
Okay. Do you see any visible leaks?
Yeah.
Are they coming from the wall, the floor, the ceiling? All the above?
Correct.
All the above it is, all right.
Exactly. The monkey.
Oy vey. All right, and what's your name, sir?
Quaid.
Q-U-A-I-D.
Okay, and your last name, Quaid?
Douglas Quaid.
When's your availability for us to come out?
What about right now?
Unfortunately, I can't do right now. I have all my techs on different jobs.
Okay.
Whenever you want.
Every day? Tonight?
And I can do tomorrow morning around 10 o'clock if you'd like.
We have some real serious problems here.
10. Perfect.
Okay, I can put you.
I like that.
Do tomorrow at 10.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so
One
tomorrow
second.
at 10 o'clock.
Hold on.
So that'll be March 7th. Holding.
Oh, shit.
I don't think it's wrong. Oh, Douglas Quaid, really?